I'm Daniel, and currently I'm an attendant at Kobe, and I'm trying to do a survey to my fellow friend. He's an entrepreneur and a businessman. Sir, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is John Philip. I'm the owner of this business. Yun.
So, Sir Philip, I have a few questions for you. It's related about your business. Okay. So, first question is, what motivates you to become an entrepreneur?
Siguro una dahil pag empleyado ka kasi ang hirap eh. Dahil sa oras. Tapos may post ka pa na nakakababa ng self-esteem, di ba? Hindi naman sa mataas ang pride ko, pero kasi pag nag-continuous ang business, hindi lang ako manghihinabang, pati yung mga susunod sa akin.
So, yun po. Okay. So, next question po. What do you think are your characteristics and competencies that made you a successful entrepreneur or businessman?
Hirap pa. Hindi kasi, hindi ko kino-consider as sobrang successful na ako eh. Pero siguro, andun yung hindi ako sumusuko. Ganyan. Tapos, consistency.
Consistency. Wow,
Yun.
that's a great word. Okay, sir, that's a wonderful answer. The next question will be, what do you think of being employed? Why did you not choose that path?
Siguro, nag-decide na rin ako mag-business talaga kasi tulad nga ng college ako. Nagahol na rin ako sa oras, sa pera, and then, ayun, nag-try naman ako ng something new.
So like sir, since a child, you looked up to be a businessman.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So that's the whole part of my interview. So cut mo muna kayo.